Another day, another story. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. If you're looking to explore the world of affiliate marketing, this video is exactly what you need. Whether you're a complete beginner or have already dipped your toes in affiliate marketing, this guide will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips to boost your success. So, let's get started. Affiliate marketing is one of the most lucrative and popular ways to make money online. It's a performance-based marketing model where affiliates earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. With the right strategies and dedication, affiliate marketing can provide you with a passive income stream that has the potential to transform your financial situation. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. From understanding the basics to diving into more advanced techniques, we will cover everything you need to know. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. What is affiliate marketing? To lay a strong foundation, let's start by understanding the fundamental concept of affiliate marketing. In its simplest form, affiliate marketing involves three main parties: the merchant, the affiliate, also known as the publisher, and the customer. The merchant is the creator or seller of the product, while the affiliate promotes the product to potential customers. Affiliate marketing operates on a revenue-sharing model, where affiliates earn a commission for every sale or action generated through their promotional efforts. These actions can include clicking on a link, filling out a form, or making a purchase. As an affiliate, you earn a percentage of the revenue generated from your referrals. Step 2. Choosing the right affiliate programs. One of the crucial steps in affiliate marketing is selecting the right affiliate programs to work with. When choosing affiliate programs, consider factors such as product relevance to your target audience, commission rates, and the program's reputation. It's essential to partner with reliable and trustworthy programs that align with your niche and values. Throughout this section, we will provide you with tips and best practices to identify and evaluate affiliate programs effectively. Ensuring the right fit between the products you promote and your audience is vital for long-term success in affiliate marketing. Step 3. Creating promotional strategies. Once you've chosen your affiliate programs, it's time to create effective promotional strategies. Your success as an affiliate marketer depends on your ability to reach and engage potential customers. In this section, we will discuss proven strategies to promote and market affiliate products. We'll cover various approaches, including content marketing, social media promotion, email marketing, and paid advertising. As we dive into each strategy, you'll learn how to tailor your efforts to maximize your conversions and ultimately increase your earnings. Step 4. Tracking and analyzing performance. Tracking and analyzing your affiliate marketing performance is crucial for optimizing your strategies and maximizing your results. Knowing which promotional efforts are working and which ones aren't will allow you to make data-driven decisions and refine your approach. Throughout this section, we will explore different tracking tools, metrics to pay attention to, and how to interpret the data to make informed adjustments. By continuously monitoring your performance, you'll be able to identify opportunities for growth and improve your overall affiliate marketing results. Step 5. Scaling and growing your affiliate business. Congratulations! By this point, you've established a strong foundation, selected top-notch affiliate programs, created effective promotional strategies, and tracked your performance. Now, it's time to take your affiliate marketing efforts to the next level by scaling and growing your business. In this final section, we will explore advanced techniques and strategies to scale your affiliate business, including building a team, exploring new niches, and expanding your online presence. We'll equip you with the tools and knowledge necessary to multiply your earnings and achieve long-term success in affiliate marketing. And there you have it. The ultimate guide to affiliate marketing for beginners. We hope this comprehensive guide has provided you with the knowledge and insights necessary to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. Remember, success in affiliate marketing comes with dedication, continuous learning, and adapting to the ever-evolving digital landscape. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Subscribe to Future Finance for more valuable content on affiliate marketing and other online marketing strategies. Thanks for watching.